What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a close look at a light, versatile sport adventure tour that's built to handle both the daily city commute and weekend road trips with absolute ease. This is the all-new Suzuki V-Strom 250SX in Champion Yellow. Let's walk around this machine together. The styling inherits that iconic V-Strom heritage, starting with Suzuki's legendary beak design up front. It looks slim, athletic, and ready for adventure. It is engineered for riders who want an accessible, lightweight tour that combines street agility with mild off-road capability. Walking around to the front end, it rolls on a 19-inch front alloy wheel paired with a 17-inch rear wrapped in semi-block dual-purpose tires to soak up rough roads easily. Moving up, you get a tall, compact windshield that deflects wind blast away from your chest on high-speed highway runs. It also comes standard with sturdy black handguards right from the factory, shielding your hands from weather, flying gravel, or tree branches on dirt paths. Now let's dive into the heart of this machine. Powering the V-Strom 250SX is a 249cc single-cylinder 4-valve SOHC engine featuring Suzuki's oil cooling system, or SOCS. Derived from MotoGP technology, this oil cooling system keeps the engine lightweight and simple while ensuring maximum thermal efficiency. It delivers punchy low to mid-range torque, making overtaking effortless while running smoothly through a crisp 6-speed transmission. Moving along the side, the two-piece split seat provides an upright riding posture with an 835mm seat height for great forward visibility. At the rear, you get a sturdy aluminum tail rack with integrated grab handles, perfect for mounting a top case or strapping down travel bags. Looking down from the cockpit, the fully digital LCD instrument cluster displays your speed, gear position, revs, and fuel metrics clearly, alongside a convenient USB charging port for your devices. Checking out the Eco sticker on the rear fender, fuel economy averages an impressive 35.7 kilometers per liter. Paired with a 12-liter fuel tank, you get plenty of range between gas stops. To wrap things up, the Suzuki V-Strom 250SX is a fantastic, accessible adventure package. Priced at 179,000 baht, it offers legendary V-Strom styling, reliable SOCS engine performance, and great touring practicality. So, what do you think about this Champion Yellow V-Strom 250SX? Do you love the beak styling or the lightweight oil-cooled engine more? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video. See ya!